I've never met you, but I'm gonna read your mind. Not literally, of course. I will teach you the best way to skip your classes in 2021. Oh, no, I'm just kidding. I'm going to make an educational guess about what you need to know to use Microsoft Teams as a student. Let's start with this question. Why certain students get the maximum benefits from Microsoft Teams in education better than others? Want to get started with Teams for free with your existing Microsoft account? Go to products.office.com/Microsoft Teams and select Sign up for free. Type the email that you used with your Microsoft account and select Next. Choose how you want to use Teams and select Next. Enter your password and select Sign in. Add the final details and then select Set up Teams. Choose whether to download and use the Teams desktop application or to open it on the web. When you open Microsoft Teams application, make sure that you log in using your university account as a student. The first page will appear is the teams that you are part of. To the left side, you will find the icons that you are supposed to interact with. If you click the activity icon, you can view your feeds. These are the feeds I've got as a student. I have attached unique samples to different types of notifications in your feed. Mentions of you specifically, team mentions for teams you are on, channel mentions in teams you are on, replies to your posts, posts you liked, you were added to a team, and if you were made a team owner. If you click the chat icon to the left, you can see your chat history. You can as well create a new message by clicking the new chat icon. You have to enter a name or email or a group to send a message with Teams. You could choose a name. This is one-on-one chat, and you type your message. The message has different type. It may be an attachment or an emoji. You can also react with an emoji to previous reply. Chat is available on Teams that you have. For example, if you would like to go back to all Teams and select instructional design in modern electronic environments, you can see the Posts tab and you can reply to a message or send a new message, and everyone in the team will see this message. If you click the Teams icon to the left, you can see all the teams that you are part of. To the right side, you can see Join or Create Team button. Just click on that button, a new window will open to show you how to create team. Just click on that button and you'll start creating your own team by adding a name to that team and a description.
Then you will decide on the privacy of that team. By clicking Next, it allows you to add students to that team as team members. You see? Now you can decide if you want a member to be an owner as well. When you click Close, your team is now created. The gifted. The three dots give you options to edit your team or delete that team or add channels or members. In the Teams icon, you can see the teams that you are part of. To see the tabs inside, click on one of the teams. We have the tabs here. The posts, it shows the meeting invitations, any conversations that's done within this group, the meeting recordings as well, or any attachments were sent from the professor or from the students to this group, or any messages. In the files, you can see all the files that is shared with this team and the owner as well, and if someone is modifying this file or folder. Let's download this file, and it shows also the date that was modified. By selecting the file and clicking on the download button. Now it's downloaded. You can also upload a file or folder from your PC. You can also open it by Teams. Now this is the assignment. The class notebook is created by the owner of the team or the professor. It shows some of the tasks or notes or whatever shared. Sometimes the professor may share a collaborative question where each one of the students can upload his answer. The assignments tab, where the professor assigned you assignments and you have to submit them on time. And the grades as well. If you have certain assignments, they have due date and the status if they are done or not. Sometimes the professor provides you with feedback and points. If you click this icon, you can see general information about this team. It's a private team. The total members are 19. If you click this icon, you can go to the members and view the owner and the members that are part of this team. If you click the calendar icon to the left, you can see the meetings that you have for a certain day. For example, you have a meeting on the 14th of April. You can as well schedule a new meeting by clicking the new meeting button to the right side of the screen. You can add title for your meeting and you can add the date of the meeting, the start timing, and the end timing. You may add details for this new meeting if you would like to. And don't forget to click on the save button so that your meeting will be on your agenda. You can edit the meeting by change whatever option you would like to, and you may change the occurrence for the meeting to be repeated weekly as well. Save the changes. When you go to the meetings that you are invited in, you can click this icon and you see the link of the meeting. You can copy the link. You see the team that is invited to this meeting. You can chat with participants and the organizer. You click on join. You can choose if you would like your camera to be turned off and the computer audio to be turned off as well, and use a computer audio or PC mic and speaker. You can join now. When you join the meeting, you can raise your hand if you would like to comment or add something. You can also show who is participating in this meeting, and this for turning to unmute yourself or you turn your camera on. If you are asked to share your screen, you can click on this icon. Sometimes you can share a PowerPoint or whatever Word document you would like to share. Sometimes if you would like the participant to see your desktop or window, you choose whatever is suitable for this meeting. When the meeting is done, you just click the leave button and you leave the meeting. One of the most powerful icons in Teams is the apps icon. Let's go to the education category. As you can see, there are plenty of applications that could be used in education. If you place the mouse over one of the applications, a description will pop up. And the three dots and click on them, there is a user guide and instructions how to use these applications in Teams tab. And when you are done, you can share this application with a friend by copying the link. You may send it by chat.